Right, Thierry, are you ready for your quickfire questions?
I'm ready, let's go.
Don't even think about the answer, just got to give me the answer, all right? Don't even think about it, okay? Favourite rally? Stop thinking!
Germany and Finland.
Favourite rally car?
The Hyundai WRC 2017 version.
Favourite film?
The Day of Thunder.
Good film. Good
I
film.
love it.
Do you feel like Tom Cruise now?
Yeah, and I look as him as well.
Okay, favourite road car?
Hyundai i30 and
Good car. Good car. What do you have for breakfast in the morning?
cereals, Kellogg's.
Oh, cereal, like Kellogg's.
Cereals
Okay,
with
okay,
milk.
okay. Favourite meal?
Pasta.
Worst experience in a rally car?
I had a huge crash in Finland test 2014.
Best experience in a rally car?
Probably the win this year in Sardinia against Sebastian Ogier.
Best driver of all time?
So far, it seems like it's Sebastian Loeb.
Yeah, you got to agree with that one, haven't you? What about the best driver pre-Sebastian Loeb?
The most spectacular definitely was Colin McQuarrie, and everybody was fan of him.
Yeah, he was a total legend. Well done, 10 out of 10. Now's a bad time to shake hands, isn't it? Yeah, this one, not that one.
Never leave the stick.